Hi everyone, it's me again, your favorite math teacher. We are going to talk about basic division today, and this is going to be probably one of the most important videos in this whole series. And it is about, as I say, division. It's the fourth one of the four major arithmetic operations. And here we go. Let's go with the question. Joe's band, the Wishful Thinkers, earned $92 playing on the street corner. If there were four people in the band, how much did each person get? Well, let's assume that everybody gets an equal share, and we're going to do what's called division to get the answer to this question. So here we go. Watch this. There we go with the 92. The 92 goes on the inside. It's the thing we want to divide. We want to cut up into equal pieces. How many pieces do I want to cut it up into? I want to cut it into four pieces. And so the 4 goes there. Okay, so I don't know who invented this method, but it works. So let's just go with it, okay? So I don't know how many times 4 goes into 92, but I'm going to do it piece by piece. So the first thing I'll do is I'll figure out how many times 4 goes into 9. Whoops, I'll just use this paper here. Just forget about the 2 for now. How many times does 4 go into 9? Well, it goes twice, 2 times. So I'm going to put a 2 right on top like that. So here we go with steps. I'm going to write them out. First thing is we divide. That's what we did. Next thing we do is we multiply this 2 times 4. So 2 times 4, and we put it directly under the 9. That's where we were working. And 2 times 4, as you know, is 8. So second step, multiply. Third step, subtract. So 9 subtract 8 is 1. Okay, so now we're completely done with the 9. So the next thing we do is we bring down this 2. We got to deal with the 2. So when we do that, that makes that a 12. And so I've got a couple of things to add to my list here. So we go multiply, then we go subtract. And then number 4, we bring down. So we brought down the 2. And now we're forgetting all about the 92, even though that was our original question. Now it's how many times does 4 go into 12? Well, 4 times 3 is 12. So 4 goes in 3 times. So 3 times 4 is 12. And we're left with a 0. And that's what we want. We want to end up with a 0. Sometimes we're not going to have a 0 remainder. We'll deal with that in a later video. All right, so yeah, so each member of the band gets $23. So I'm going to add a 5th step here, and I'm going to say repeat. So that's the answer. Each guy gets, or each girl, or each, no, there's at least one guy in the band, that would be me. So every individual gets $23. And I would like, if you're writing a test for me and you're doing this arithmetic stuff with a word problem, I'd like you to give me a word answer. And I kind of didn't leave myself enough room here, but I'm going to just write it out anyway. So each person gets $23. Okay? Okay, I'm going to leave it at that, and I'm going to come back with a couple of extra examples for you, okay? Alrighty, take care.